Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on any iPhone. So guys, if you want to turn off restricted mode on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, as you can see this, if I am trying to sign out my Apple ID from my device, it says sign out is not available due to restrictions. So guys, if you want to turn them off, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, you have to simply open settings on your device and then scroll it below and then go to screen time. Again, scroll it below and go to change screen time passcode and turn off screen time passcode from here. So guys, enter your screen time passcode from here and then turn it off. So guys, do this, and after this go to content and restrictions as well and turn off content and privacy restrictions from here as well. Do this, and after this go back and now go to restrictions. If you are facing any here you can see this sign out is now available. So guys, from here you can easily sign out your Apple device if the restrictions are turned off. So guys, in this way you can also turn off restrictions on any iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.